Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie and this is Katie's World. So thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm going to be doing a flip through of Echo Park's two brand new collections I am so excited about. We have Magical Birthday Boy and Magical Birthday Girl. If you're watching this video the day it is released on my YouTube channel, which is Saturday, January 9th, 2021, this is in my shop right now today for an introductory discounted price. So go ahead and jump on that link below and check that out. So yeah, so on sale today in my shop. Okay, so we're gonna do a flip through this collection, and I haven't even looked at them yet. I am so excited. I definitely want to do projects with these. As you know, I just love the Disney collection. So exciting. So what I'm going to do, oh, also stay till the end. So I'm going to be offering a giveaway. This is my very first giveaway for my YouTube channel. I am so excited. But stay till the end because I'm going to give you all the details for the giveaway at the end of this video. So definitely stay till the end. Okay. All right. So we're going to start with the Magical Boy collection. So I apologize for the crinkling if it's a little noisy. Okay, oh, it smells so good. Well, I don't know if it smells good, but it smells like new paper. I love it. Okay, so first of all, this is just the cover sheet. These are actually great to keep. Now, this is on thin paper. Usually, if it's like a really nice thick cardstock, I might save this and cut these out, which you still can. But I actually end up using these when I do my stamping, inking, and messy stuff. I like to use that for a little match. So that's just a little tip. You can use everything. So let's jump in here. Okay, this is so cute. I love it. So it has a birthday flair to it. Obviously, you don't have to use it for a birthday. There's so many versatile sheets in here. Like I said, I haven't looked through it, but I glanced at the cover sheet. But there's a lot of birthday, and a lot of people go to Disney for birthday, or just might have a Disney birthday. You don't have to be at Disneyland. Right now, today, Disneyland is still closed. So sad. I'm just waiting for COVID to be over and Disneyland to be open again, and we are going. So, anyway, we'll just go over a few of these little phrases. It has birthday boy, yay to the birthday boy, great for tags. Celebrate the birthday boy, best day ever. Everybody say cheese, it's your birthday. Blow out the candles, wish away, you are the superstar of the day. Make a wish, it's your birthday. Did I already say that one? Let's see, make a wish, time to make a wish. Birthday fun, happy birthday, wishing you a magical day. That doesn't have to be birthday. Most of these are birthday on this side, but let's see what the back is. Okay, so the back is just a really nice blue print. So if you're not using it for a birthday, then you've got this side to use, and you only get one sheet of each in here, so it's not two of the same sheets. It says on the cover 12 double-sided papers and then 1 12 element sticker. So if you're someone that's going to do like a large album, you might want to pick up 2 packs of these because it doesn't have 2 of each, it has 1 of each. So okay, let's go into the next sheet. These are the 3x4 cut aparts. May all your wishes come true. Happy birthday. This is be great for cards. Make a wish. But the other one would be great for cards too, of course. Happy birthday. Celebrate the birthday boy. Make a wish. Blow out the candles. And it doesn't even have to be Disney. I mean, it could be for an adult. I mean, it's just make a wish. It doesn't have Mickey on every, you know, there's Mickey, not on Mickey on any of these. But you know what I mean. So it'd be great for cards. Great for tags. Great for mini album and pages, of course. So this is the back. Just has a nice yellow and white stripe. Can use this way or this way. That's great. So this is birthday. Okay, so this is definitely geared towards birthday, but that works for me. I don't know about you. Every day is Disney day here. Okay, so this is a really cute page. This is one of my favorites already. I can tell. I just love these collage type papers. Oh, this one, awesome. Can use this for anything. I love the stars background. Beautiful. And then tags. These are awesome, easy to cut out quickly. If you have a brother scan and cut, oh my goodness, just run these through and cut them out. But they'd be really easy to do with a trimmer and a pair of scissors as well. So these are super cute. So look at the back. Oh my goodness, I love this. Okay, so if you know me, I do a ton of page kits. That's one of my favorite things to do, and I can see this as a background right now, so I might have to order a bunch of this for a page kit. We'll see. That is super cute. I love the balloons. Okay. Oh, these are like little buttons. Oh, so cute. I love it. You can even use a circle punch and just go ahead and punch these out. These are adorable. And then we have the red with the white stars. Super cute. And I hope I'm holding these enough. If any comments, suggestions, constructive criticism, I will take. Leave in the comments below. Like I said, this is a new YouTube channel for me. I just started doing this. So just keep it kind, but I'm definitely open to any kind of constructive criticism you want to offer. That would be most helpful. Thank you. So this one is the 4x4 cut aparts. Beautiful birthday cake here. Everybody say cheese or cheers. Everybody say cheers. It's your birthday. You're never too old to wish upon a birthday star. That's cute. To the birthday boy, 1,000,000 magical wishes to you on your birthday. I just noticed it says birthday boy, but it doesn't say boy everywhere. So this can also be used for girls too. Hip, hip, hooray, hip, hip, hooray. Let's see. Let your magical birthday. Am I on camera? I hope that I'm not off camera. Let's see. Let your magical birthday start now. Oh, this is super cute. Time to make a wish. These are really cute. I love the font. In the back is a nice khaki with some white polka dots. Very cute. Oh, look at these balloons. I love them. Okay, so let's compare. Here's the other balloon one, which I love, love, love. Love the clouds with the balloons, but I'm really loving this also. Super cute. Love the balloons. And then we have the black with the white stars. That's awesome. Okay, so then we have the 4x6 cut aparts. Birthday boy, birthday celebration. This is a nice little frame, great for journaling, or even cut that out and put a picture there, or put a picture on top. Birthday cupcakes. Here's to the birthday boy, and it's a good day for a birthday. Oh, look at the little party hats. Okay, these are super cute with the confetti. I'm just gonna hold it a little bit closer because it's a smaller print, but these are super cute. I love those. And then we have red with polka dots on the back. Oh, I didn't do the back of the other one. Okay, really quick. 4x6 cut aparts. Really nice plaid. Love the plaid. Love the colors. Of course, they're all the same colors. Okay, magical birthday with the cakes. Oh, these are adorable. Super cute. And then the yellow with the stars. So there's a lot of different stars backgrounds in here. Awesome. Birthday magic starts here. So now these have some 4x, no wait, these are all 4x6, aren't they? Okay, so these are 4x6 vertical cut aparts, and the other one was a 4x6 horizontal cut apart. So just look at those side by side. I love that they're doing this because when you're working on an album, I do a lot of mini albums as well, and it's nice to have options to pick something where like you might have a space and you're like, I need a 4x6 cut apart right here, but I need it vertical or I need it horizontal. So it's nice to have those options. I love EcoPark does the 3x4s, the 4x4s, 4x6s. That is so great. So these are super, super cute. I have an album in my shop right now. It's with these same colors, but it's with an EcoPark collection. Check that out. It is so cute. Same colors, different collection, but it's really cute. I still have some in my shop right now. I'll try to remember to link it below. But if not, just go ahead and check out my shop and you'll find it. Click on albums. Okay, this is the back. Musical notes. Super cute. I love this. Look at the musical notes. It has a khaki background, and then all the little musical notes, confetti, stars, polka dots. Super cute. Castles. Okay, always love the castle paper. Oh, that's just beautiful. And there's little fireworks in the balloon. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but there's actually like kind of a watermark, I guess, of fireworks in the black balloons. That is so, So creative. Very cute. I am loving this collection. Great job, guys. Oh, and the fireworks. Okay, that is so cool. They've done a lot of fireworks papers that was like black with like all different color fireworks. But this is really nice. Just a light pale blue with white fireworks. I love it. It's gorgeous. It's different and it's gorgeous. Okay, and now to reveal the sticker sheet. Awesome. Really nice sturdy cardstock stickers. These are great. They have some flags here. Birthday, happy birthday, eat cake to the birthday dude. That's cute. May all your wishes come true. To the birthday boy, balloons, super cute. You're never too old to wish upon a birthday star. That's so adorable. Birthday with the flags. That is so cute. And then here's some 12-inch borders. Now I say 12-inch, but they're probably not because they look like they get cut off. So maybe probably 11 3/4 inch, which works for me because most of my page kits are matted, and 11 3/4 would be perfect. Super cute. I love it. So yeah, so that's the first collection pack. And we're going to move on to the birthday girl. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts on this collection, what projects that you have in mind that you might want to do with these collections. Once again, I do have these in my shop today on sale. Click on that link below. Okay, so here's the cover sheet for the Magical Girl. And, okay, super cute. So I'm going to assume, we're going to see, that it's kind of like probably all the same format, but just in with the pinks maybe instead of the reds, I'm guessing. I'm kind of curious. Let me grab this one and see. Yeah, that is very cool. Okay, so you're basically going to get kind of the same layout for each one, but you're going to get it in the pink or you're going to get it with the red. I think that's the only difference. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that looks like, either way, it's super cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so the back, yep, the back's the same. It's got the blue polka dots. And then here's the girl one with the pink. See, now I want to just compare each one because I think, oh, maybe they're a little different. Oh, look at that. Okay, this one is a little, there's some same and then some that are different. Super cute. Okay, I'm trying to stay focused. It's not easy. All right. So we have happy birthday, enjoy your special day, make a wish, yay to the birthday girl, blow out the candles, make a wish, celebrate the birthday girl, happy birthday, birthday celebrate, hooray, party time, eat cake, birthday, and many more. Wishing you a magical day. Love that. Put on your party ears and celebrate. That is super cute. And happy birthday. That is really cute. So the back is, again, the yellow and white stripes. Then we have this, my favorite paper right here. Super cute. Back is, okay, yep, I'm totally seeing it's all the same except for pink instead of red. It is super cute. I love that they did that because I love having the options. It's beautiful. And here's all the tags. Cute, cute tags. Oh, look how cute the pink balloons. I'm totally like seeing like a baby girl page because that's super cute. I love it. I love it. You can even use this for a baby book. A baby girl. Yeah, super cute, super cute. And then the buttons with the pinks. Pink stars. You could totally use this for princess. Super cute. Everybody say cheers. It's your birthday. Birthday cute. Birthday cake. You're never too old to wish upon a birthday star. Super cute. I love this one with the little presents. Time to make a wish. Again, I love that font. This is like probably my favorite font. This is so cute. That word wish. I love it. Khaki with the polka dots. The balloons. Balloons, balloons. Stars. 4x6 cut apart. I hope I'm keeping this all in frame. You know, I'm so sorry if I'm not. Ugh. Okay. Is that in frame? That's in frame. Okay. I'll try to stay there. And then the plaid. Oh, love it. Very cute. And then the cakes. And, oh, I keep forgetting to turn the back over. Yellow stars. Party hats. Cute. Pink polka dots. Love it. And then, of course, the 4x6. Best day ever. That's really cute. Was that on the other one? See, I'm getting distracted again. Oh, well. Huh. I don't know. I'll go look later. Okay. Oh, and then the musical notes. And the castles. Love the castle. Another favorite. What is your favorite paper? First of all, which is your favorite collection? Is it the birthday girl, the birthday boy? What's your favorite paper? What's your favorite design? What projects are you going to do with these? I would love to hear your comments below. To the birthday girl. Okay, so same thing, just all in pink, of course. Again, gorgeous. Love it. Absolutely. I love these collections. I am so ecstatic. I can't wait to work with these collections. I have a big project that I am currently working on, but when that is done, I am definitely going to jump in and work on some smaller albums with these collections because these are so cute. Okay, so I'd like to say thank you for staying till the end. So I'm going to talk about our giveaway now. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. One lucky winner is going to win one of these collections of your choice. So all you have to do is share this video. There's two things you have to do. Share the video and comment below. So I want to see those comments. Only one entry per. So if you comment multiple times, you're still only going to have one entry, FYI. But please make a comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what's your favorite. Whatever you want to say, please keep it nice. But share the video, please. Comment below, please. And you will be entered to win. So I will be announcing a winner. Let me think, because I forgot to pick a day before I started recording. But let me see, it's going to be released on Saturday. So how about Monday? That'll give you Saturday and Sunday to enter. Now, Saturday is going to be the sale. So after Saturday, these won't be on sale in my shop anymore, but we'll still have the giveaway going. So Saturday and Sunday, you're still eligible. Monday, I will be announcing a winner. Okay. So, I think Monday morning, maybe, I don't know. Anyway, just Saturday or Sunday, I'll figure it out. Like I said, it's my first time, so there's going to be some kinks. But anyway, so that's it. So I want to say thank you so much. Please like this video if you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of these, let me know. More flip throughs. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell for notifications. And thank you so much again. Have a great day.